Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lorch. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Natasha Tahane is definitely confusing trolls and haters after there have been reports of her breakup from her baby daddy and boyfriend Thembi Lorch a couple of weeks ago, guys. While trolls were alleging that Thembi had broken up with Natasha and had gone back to his ex-girlfriend rather. Well, Natasha confused the enemy during the weekend when she posted beautiful pictures of her in a beautiful traditional dress, which ultimately led to people thinking that maybe she and Thembi might have gotten married traditionally, guys. Natasha further went on to confuse troll further even more after she posted a video of her lip-syncing a monologue by Utina Jaka about what is expected of a bride when she is welcomed into the husband's family, guys. That further convinced people that she is indeed married. So without wasting your time, check out that video.
Yabona umfazi xa ifika emzini wenza loo nto yenziwa kwelo khaya. Masithi ezinzulwini zobusuku okanye ngentsasa undibhaqa ndikhwele emtshayelweni ndibhabha khwela apha emqolo gwencele bambelele tawufaka umnwe emlilweni eziko ungaqhuma uthi yu mama bese sikhwenene wenje njalo masithi nolwimi apha elalini ezizweni nqwala intloko mntanam nqwala intloko molokazana ungqine uvumelane kunye nam.